This is how we made Reborn, our futuristic fashion runway concept. First, Kamal designed the dress. Instead of envisaging a dystopian future of darkness and dirt, he went the opposite way and imagined our future garments would be sleek, sophisticated, chic, and created this incredible number for our humanoid character. After baking the animation, we took this into our 3D software. To take the concept of Reborn even further, I imagined this glass dome, which could then open up as the avatar walks out onto the runway. I added all the lighting, camera work and volumetrics, and then the textures, which could then all be rendered and taken into our video editing software. From here we can add the logos, music and any VFX like this steam. And for this we use Soundly. It's free and allows us to search for loads of different sounds to bring into our composition. So for example, I wanted this sound of the steam coming out of the chamber. Find the sound that you want, drag and drop, slide it into the video editor, job's done. Then we finish off with a final bit of colour grading before the whole thing is exported to the final video. And that's it guys. If you want to go and see the whole of our Reborn scene, then pop over to our profile page for Fashion3DX and find the video there, and we'd really love to know what you think. Cheers guys!